Hook, have you ever invested in cryptocurrency and wondered, is my money safe on this platform? Well, today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular crypto exchanges in Canada, Newton. Building context. Why Newton? Newton has gained a significant following due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. But, with the increasing number of scams and hacks in the crypto world, it's essential to ask, is Newton really a secure place to store your digital assets? Importance of security. Cryptocurrency security is paramount. A single breach can lead to substantial financial losses. So, let's explore the various factors that contribute to Newton's security measures. Newton's security measures. Cold storage. One of the most fundamental security practices is cold storage. This involves storing cryptocurrency offline in hardware wallets. Newton utilizes cold storage to safeguard a significant portion of its users' funds, making it less vulnerable to online attacks. Hot wallets. While cold storage is crucial, it's not practical for daily transactions. That's where hot wallets come into play. Newton employs multi-signature technology for its hot wallets. This means that multiple private keys are required to access funds, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized withdrawals. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Newton strongly encourages 2FA as an extra layer of security. By enabling 2FA, you add a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone or email, making it much harder for hackers to gain access to your account. Regular security audits. Newton regularly undergoes security audits conducted by independent third-party firms. These audits help identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure that the platform's security measures are up to date. Addressing common concerns. Hacking risks. Despite Newton's security measures, there's always a risk of hacking. However, the platform's commitment to security and regular audits significantly reduces the likelihood of such incidents. Insurance. While Newton doesn't explicitly offer insurance to its users, it's worth noting that many crypto exchanges have insurance policies in place to protect against losses due to hacking or other unforeseen events. Customer support. In the event of a security breach or other issues, Newton's customer support team is available to assist users. It's important to familiarize yourself with their contact information and support processes. Best practices for safe crypto storage. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your Newton account and avoid sharing them with anyone. Consider using a password manager to help you create and manage complex passwords. Phishing awareness. Be vigilant about phishing scams. Newton will never ask for your private keys or login credentials via email or phone. If you receive suspicious messages, report them to Newton's customer support. Regular updates. Keep your Newton app and device software up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Newton has implemented robust security measures to protect its users' funds. Cold storage, multi-signature technology, 2FA, and regular security audits contribute to the platform's overall security. However, it's essential to practice safe crypto storage habits to minimize risks. Call to action. If you're considering using Newton or already have an account, take the time to review their security practices and implement best practices for protecting your funds. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.